What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the UAG Urban Armor Gear case, the civilian series for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is a beautiful device. I want to do an unboxing and review of this case next. All right, so this is one of the most popular cases in the world. UAG is been by critics, reviewers, one of the best cases out there for your smartphone. Now, this is the civilian series. Now, this comes in a variety of styles that you can pick up, but I picked this up at Best Buy. You could drop down in the description if you want to pick it up. I'll leave some links of different places that you can pick it up. Now, this is anywhere from 40 to 50 bucks where you could, depending on where you pick it up. This provides, as you can see, 20 feet drop protection. So it's a very heavy duty case, but they have some beautiful styles, and so they're not like a bulky case that, you know, doesn't have a lot of good looks about it, but this one certainly does. So we're gonna go ahead, and you could pick up 3 different colors of this case. This is actually the black, but you can pick up the mallard, which is more like a bluish one, and then you could pick up the, show you now, they have the olive, which is kind of hot with that black. So those are 2 or 3 of the colors that you can get. But this is the black, and it has some accent colors on the bottom that you could check out. Now, if we pull this out of here, wow, this is a really, really good look. Wow, look at this case, man. This is beautiful. Yeah, I like this, and this is very durable, very sturdy. Great construction. Look at the buttons there with the volume off, power off, volume up and down. That's, man, this, oh, look at this. Look at this. The texture in here is a real grippy texture. And then you got that orange there, accent colors on the outside, and then on the inside, you get your UAG branding there. This is beautiful here. Look at the cutouts on here, almost perfect. And then you get your microphones here on the top. Nothing really on the side except for that branding. So we're gonna go ahead and pop El Phono into the queso. And then you go, ooh. Yo, this case feels really good in the hand. I mean, it's not slippery at all. It's got a good look. It feels really nice. You get that great lip action at the top here, so that if you drop your phone, you're gonna be good. And then on the bottom, you get the same kind of lip action right there. On the sides, it does get a little bit of a curve there, but this comes with the screen protector from Whitestone Dome. You wanna check it out, it's up there. Just hit that little link. But this is magnificent. Now the power on, oh man, I think I'm rocking this today. I ain't lying. Your volume up and down. I like kickstand cases, but this is, look at this thing. And then your camera here. Look at your camera opening. You get a nice little indentation, so you're gonna be all right. You're gonna be okay with that. I love how it just comes around. Like, some people like the encased camera holes. I like it to be open, so when you're taking a picture, you can, but look at the branding on this, man. This is unbelievable. Look at this thing. Wow, that is just beautiful, man. I love this. This is nice, man. This is really nice. And then let's check out the S Pen action. And I look at how it has that color just around your S Pen. That's a nice little touch. There's little details like that. Yeah, that comes out real good. And you put it back in. Hey now. But you got your speakers there, nice little opening. And then you got your corners reinforced here. This is a really nice case, man. I really do recommend this case. This is absolutely, this thing is gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. Look at this thing. This is nice, man. I ain't gonna lie. That is beautiful. But that's gonna do it, man. That is the civilian series from UAG. You can pick this up for about 40-50 bucks, maybe a little cheaper depending on where you get it. I'll leave some links down in the description. Get down in the comments, let me know what you think about this beast, or if you have a different UAG case that you really recommend or you want me to do a review video on, let me know. Hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You know the procedure. I'm gonna get out of here. Peace.